President Joe Biden will deliver a high-stakes address to the American public on Thursday evening as the 81-year-old seeks to tackle concern about his age, put a positive gloss on his first term record and lay out the case for his re-election in November. The State of the Union address will give him a rare opportunity to speak to a national audience of millions and draw a contrast with his Republican competitor former President Donald Trump. Traditionally, these annual speeches to Congress and standard affairs pull up pageantry and laundry lists of legislative priorities, but these were questions about Mr. Biden's fitness for office, and polls that suggest an extremely tight race for the presidency mean the address is a critical moment for the president. The speech is particularly important to the rally Democrats and calm their nerves, said Michael Wildman, who served as speech writing director for President Bill Clinton. He needs to show that his vigorous and command on a happy warrior. Mr. Biden's approval ratings are some of the lowest recorded for a president seeking re-election, and other surveys highlight the discomfort Americans across the political spectrum feel about giving him another 4 years as the commander-in-chief. Appearing to be a happy warrior while also fighting up your political life is not exactly an easy task, even when politicians are at the top of their game. The eye test. Mr. Biden has decades of experience delivering in high-stakes political moments, and he likely spent all weekend practicing his speech delivery. But, but this turn on the national stage could prove crucial is the president must appear competent and comfortable while speaking to Congress and avoid any missteps that feeds the damaging political narrative surrounding his seniority. Question about the president's age have been simmering for months, but they were supercharged by special counsel Robert Hur's investigation of Mr. Biden handing up classified documents. More on the US election. Explained a simple guide to the US 2024 election analysis where Biden versus Trump will be won and lost. Policies. What a Trump second term would look like. Economy. Voters feel better. Will that help Biden reshape the term life story to date?